Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important, revise a very important topic of your syllabus regarding to your RT examination. Now in today's class, we also take and solve some important questions based on trigonometric identities and we discuss some important questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. And there's you know that we already discussed about all the important topics, all the important questions related to your syllabus. That is, and all the important identities related to that topic. Now, today we just solve the given question. Now, find the value of the identity. Look, the question is find the value of find the value of the identity 1 plus tan theta plus 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta 1 plus tan theta plus sec into 1 plus cot theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay. So this is the very important questions related to your syllabus. So now look what is the process to solve that type of question. Here we find the value of the identity, and your identity is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, and in another bracket it's 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, look, we write the given, we write a formula. Now look, this is 1 plus this is sin theta upon cos theta plus sec theta is equal to what? 1 upon cos theta. We know that na tan theta is equal to sin upon cos, and cot theta sec theta and sec theta 1 upon cos, and tan theta is equal to sin upon cos. This is the very important identity. Now here we can write 1 plus this is cos theta upon sin theta minus this is 1 upon sin theta. Okay, now we take the LCM of their denominator. Now from there we take the LCM as cos theta, so we get this is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Okay, now in that brackets we take the LCM as sin theta, so we get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now look, dear friends, if we simplify them, dear friends, if we just simplify them, so we get these expressions. This is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 upon cos theta, and sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Okay, now look, this is cos plus sin plus 1 upon cos theta and sin plus cos. Now look, if we assume that the expression sin theta plus cos theta as a, look, this is we take as a, okay, and 1 is take as b. So now in the numerator we apply the identity. This is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. A is what? Sin plus cos, and b is what? 1. So here we apply the identity a square minus b square. So now look here, we can write as a square means sin theta plus cos theta a square minus this is 1 square. Okay, now in the denominator this is sin into cos, we write as it is. Okay, sin theta into cos theta as it is. Okay, now here we expand it. We expand it on the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now look here, we write as a square plus b square plus this is 2ab. Okay, and minus 1 write as it is, and in the denominator we write sin into cos. Okay, write as it is. Now look, now here this is the identity sin square plus cos, so that is 1. So that is 1 plus this is 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin into cos. Sin into cos. Now look here, this is plus 1 minus 1 what cancel to each other. So we get this is 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin cancel, cos cancel. Okay, so we get what as 2. So we get that as 2. This is your right hand, hence this is sorry. So this is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. So dear friend, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic trigonometric identity. This is a very important topic. Okay, so please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this. Okay, now look, we take some other important question. Related to that topic. Now listen, we take some other important questions based on the identity. Now look, now this one we take a very important questions. Based on the identity. Okay, if we take as a very important question, if sec theta plus tan theta is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then show that p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to sin theta, is equal to sin theta. Okay, and dear friend, this is the one of the most important questions of your syllabus based on trigonometric identities. So what I do for that, dear friend, this is a very conceptual question. We have already the value of p, so we just put the value of p in the left hand side of the given result and we simplify them, and hence we get our result. Let's see its solution. So since the value of p is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, now we take the LHS. We take the LHS, which is what p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Now look, p square, so the value of p is what? Whole square minus 1. Okay, divided by p square means sec theta plus 1. Okay, this is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to whole square minus 1. We just put the value of p in the given expression. Now we expand it. Look, here we expanded on the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so look, this is sec square theta plus tan square means b square plus 2ab means 2 sec theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, divided by, here again we apply the formula a plus b whole square. So look, this is a square plus b square plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus 1. Okay, now look, the value of p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Now look, here we apply the identity. Since you know that since we know that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square theta. You know that na? Is equal to what? Tan square theta. So here we apply that identity. Now look, here we sec square theta minus 1 take together. So sec square theta minus 1 take together the difference there, and we write tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta as it is. Okay, and in the denominator we take 1 plus tan square theta together, because of we know that 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. So here we take 1 plus tan square theta, okay, and plus sec square theta is right as it is, and plus this is 2 sec theta into tan theta right as it is. Now look, sec square theta, now using that identity, so sec square theta minus 1, okay, sec square theta minus 1 we can write what? Tan square theta. So here we write as tan square theta and plus tan square theta right as it is. This is plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Okay. Now in the denominator we write as 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta, and sec square theta right as it is, and plus this is 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now what I do? Now look, dear student, in the numerator and denominator here tan square theta plus tan square theta, that is 2 tan square theta. Similarly in the denominator this is sec square theta, that is 2 sec square theta. Now look, so here we write as tan square plus tan square, that is 2 tan square theta, and this is plus 2 sec theta into tan theta upon sec square plus sec square, that is 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Okay, now in the numerator we take 2 tan theta as common. 2 tan theta as common, so we get as tan theta plus tan theta, and 2 sec square theta. Now in the denominator we take 2 sec theta as common, so we get here we get as sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta as common is left. Means in the numerator we take 2 tan theta as common, and in the denominator we take 2 sec theta as common. Now tan plus sec cancel to each other, and 2 is also cancel to each other. Okay, now we get only what? Look, we left only this is equal to, this is tan theta upon sec theta. So we can write as tan theta, we can write sin upon cos theta, and into 1 we can write 1 upon sec theta, and 1 upon sec theta you know that cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta into cos, so cos cancel to each other, so we get as sin theta. Hence this is the required proof. Hence prove the given question. Okay, so dear student, this is the method. Dear student, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please, dear students, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Okay, so dear friends, please concentrate and do more and more practices of all that type of questions, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, dear friends, now we take and solve some important questions based on identity. Now look. Now look, prove that okay dear friends, prove that 2 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. 2 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 3 sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So dear friend, here we have to show that 2 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta and minus 3 in bracket sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a very important questions. Okay, now look. So what I do for that, dear friends, first of all, here we apply the formula a cube plus b cube. Okay, now we take LHS. So now look, 2 we can write this is in the form of sin squared theta whole cube, and here we can write this is cos squared theta whole cube. Okay, now same as in that portion, sin for 4 theta we can write sin squared theta whole square, and here we can write this is sin squared theta whole square and plus 1 write as it is. So first of all we arrange it in the form of this. And dear student, you know that the value of a cube plus b cube is what? This is a plus b in one bracket. This is a square plus b a square plus b square minus ab in another bracket. And also you know that if we write a square plus b square in the form of a plus b whole square minus 2ab, both are the very important identity, and here we use both the identity. We use both the identity for that questions. Okay. So what I do, dear friends, now look. So here this is sin a cube plus b cube. So we can write as it is. Now this is the value of a is what, sin square theta, and here the value of b is what, cos square theta. So a cube plus b cube we can write a plus b in one bracket means sin squared theta plus cos squared theta in one bracket, and in another one a square means a square plus b square minus ab. ab means sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, so in this way we can write the given expression in this way ki a square a plus b in one bracket, a square plus b square minus ab in another bracket. Okay, this is the identity. And now minus 3 into, here we can write a plus b whole square means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square we can write now, and minus 2ab means 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now look, we can write as 2 into the value of this is 1. Okay, and in another bracket this is the into, we can write a plus b whole square in this way, a plus b whole square minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta, and already here sin square theta cos square theta write as it is. Okay, now minus 3, this is 1 minus this is 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now look, so we can write one, never we write, so this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is 1 square is 1 minus, this is 2 sin square cos square theta, this is minus sin square cos square theta, so that is minus 3, okay, so 1 minus, this is 3 sin square theta into cos square theta, okay, in sorry, minus 3 in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square, and here look here, this is plus 1, right as it is, plus 1 right as it is, no, because of here 1 plus is also there, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, okay, plus 1. Now this one we break the bracket, means we just multiply them. So look, if we multiply them, the 2 ones are 2, minus 2 3 are, this is 6 sin square theta into cos square theta, minus 3 ones are 3, minus minus is plus 3 is 6 sin square theta into cos square theta, and this is plus 1. Okay, now look, this is direction plus 6 sin square cos square theta, and this is minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta, na? This is minus 6 sin square cos square theta. So now this is the like term, na? These are the like terms, dear friends. So what I do, so 6 sin square theta or 6 sin square theta is cancelled to each other. Now what I do, what I get, look, so now look, this is 2 and plus 1, that is 3, na? So 3 and minus 3, so this is cancelled to each other, so we get 0. This is our right hand side RHS, hence proved. Okay, so dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Dear students, this is a very important question, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Let's see once more time. Here this is the given identity. First of all, we split the identity AQ plus BQ based on the identity this. So AQ plus BQ we can write in this way, A plus B in one bracket, and in another bracket A square plus B square minus AB in this way, and okay, and in next this is also based on the identity A square plus B square, so we can write A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Okay, and now so in this way we can write this, which is very important. This 3 minus, now we just multiply 3 in both the terms, okay, and we after simplify them, if we break the brackets, then after simplify them we get 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Okay, so dear friends, this is the very important question, so please dear friends, do more and more practices of each and every questions which we discuss in that class and also in previous classes. Okay, dear friends, now dear friends, so your RT 1.4 exam based on the chapter trigonometry identities and triangles. Now in next class we take and discuss some important questions related to triangles. First we revise that topic and complete solve your NCERT proof sample paper as you wish. Okay, now just in next class we take and discuss some other important topic of your syllabus. Okay, dear students, now thanks to all.